Chaw and we'll be your host for a day. Now I am at the S15 and I'm gonna explore here and come along with me. So first thing you will see the S15 Hotel here. So let's go and check around the hotel. Yeah, the first time when I enter in the hotel, I feel it's really cozy. Smells so good. Look guys, the decoration is really quite nice and really good, and you can comfortably wait your check-in and check-out time when you're waiting your check-in and check-out time. Yeah, it's quite nice. In here, they have this bar and chains, and also have a restaurant. The room price are like 3,000 baht, so which is around $100. So if you want a room with jacuzzi, you can get with 3,700 baht, so which is around $110. Yes, and you can get with the price in this kind of Sukhumvit road. Oh, they have the old-fashioned font here. Hello. So over there, I see a eatery restaurant. So this is the Chinese eatery Yogi restaurant. So let's go inside. So my order is right here. This is like set menu. They only have set, so I ordered the set menu. This is the crispy pork with rice, and this is the Chinese tea, and this is the Wasong soup with the dumpling here. So let's start with this one. So it looks so delicious. So take a big crispy bite. The meat is really crispy and sweet. So you can see it looks like it's containing a lot of fat. Some are thinking like it looks so unhealthy, but it looks tasty, really tasty for me. Yeah, it's still good for me. Yeah. Wow, it is big portion. It's also a pork dumpling, and it's quite nice. So let's count the soup. I got only the like sweet tea, but its taste is really light. What it is, it's really big. So let's taste it what it is. It tastes like gold. Yeah. So the price of this is 150 baht, so which is around $5. I think this is quite full because it contains drinks and rice, and it also got with the Western soup, so it's worth to eat it. So guys, I have a lot of things to say about this restaurant. The restaurant is inside is a little bit kind of messy. When I wait in the order and I look around on the restaurant, so it's kind of bit messy, and the price and then food is okay for me. The taste is really, yeah, the taste is nice for me. Yeah, but and I checked the like recommend about this restaurant. They also write the like bad things, really bad things to about the restaurant, and then like I think they are right about the cleaning, yeah, cleaning all the restaurant. But the taste and the taste is really good for me, and then the price is also well. They just need to clean the restaurant. That's all. And there is some of the dust in there. So guys, this is look like a bar, probably opening in the evening time. The name is Speak Easy. Yeah. The decoration look really interesting. So behind me is the Hooter, the first Hooter in Bangkok. Well, you can get the chicken wing. I think why they named the Hooter, I think they love the owl, like ooh 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 ooh, I think. Also behind me is the Point Hotel, and unfortunately they don't let us clean their room, but I can share you the price. The price of the room price is like $100 per night, so which is around 3,000 baht. So this is the bronze bar and cave, but they only open at the evening time. So look here guys, this is the Hotel Manhattan, so let's check and look around inside. Hotel lobby is really interesting for me. Oh guys, look at this. This is like a music box. I think this is like 1916 for me. This is from the 1916. That you can. Am I right? So you guys like know probably you can comment down me. Oh, this one, another one also. Yeah, this is like more 1970 for me. Kind, and you can choose the song whatever you want. Oh, I can see the song like wise men say only fool again, but I can't help falling in love with you. So do you know the song name and who's the singer? This is the bar, and over there is a restaurant. Wow, really, really luxury, guys. Guys, I got the cookie smell. It's really good. So this is the lobby waiting area, and then the price of the hotel is 2,500 baht, so which is around $70. So I think this hotel is quite reasonable, other than the other hotel from this area. Yeah. So I will end up my video in here, and if you want to know the other side of the Bangkok, you can watch it in our sister channel, Eatery Bangkok channel here. So don't forget to watch it, guys. Bye bye, see you.